So this morning I'm here to explore my recent obsession with Crispbread. This Wasa-brand is from the supermarket. When I first encountered Crispbread at Aldi's, they had some Norwegian Crispbread, dark and light versions, but it was a once every 6 months item. So once that ran out, I had to search for other sources of Crispbread. Of course, IKEA, if you have one of those. Plenty of Scandinavian Crispbread there. So today, I've spread some homemade mint pesto. You could use Dijon as well. I'm going to make a one with some Parmigiano Reggiano and some farm cheese, some fresh figs, Balsamic Glaze, and put it under the broiler for a few minutes. Pretty much ran out of Parmigiano Reggiano, so I'm using this farm cheese. It's from Valley Shepherd Creamery in Long Valley, New Jersey. I believe this is a sheep's milk cheese. Once you bring these California figs home, these black figs, they tend to get moldy after a couple of days. So put them in the refrigerator. The figs are on, the cheese is on. Some balsamic glaze over the cheese and some over the figs. Wait a couple of minutes under the broiler. While I stop there, I'm going to have another one with reduced fat Swiss and this beautiful smoked wild salmon. Do another one with cheese and this avocado with green salsa. The really good news is that Crispbread has only about a third of the calories of a slice of toast. So you could top a Crispbread with tuna salad. If you eat meat, prosciutto and cheese. Don't necessarily have to put anything into the oven. These will eat cold. Maybe a little balsamic glaze on the salmon might work here. The Wasa Crispbread I buy at ShopRite supermarkets in New Jersey here. This one is made in Sweden. And others, though, that are made in Germany. So here's this beautiful Crispbread with mint pesto, hard Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh California black figs, and nice balsamic glaze. Enjoy. Here's a nice light breakfast. 3 Crispbread. The black figs are wonderful. That hard cheese melted, terrific. New twist on avocado toast. A smoked wild salmon from Alaska. A low fat Swiss.